Imagine your beloved motorhome, that rolling castle where countless memories were made, waking up to the icy bite of a Canadian or northern US winter, the frost creeping in like an uninvited guest, threatening pipes to burst, batteries to fade, and costly repairs to wait for you come spring. Today, we're diving into the ultimate foolproof guide on how to winterize your motorhome the right way, so when the thaw comes, your adventure never misses a beat. If you're an RV owner dreaming of carefree winters and a motorhome that wakes up ready to roll every spring, keep watching. Because winterizing your motorhome isn't just maintenance, it's an art. And I'll share secrets that even seasoned campers overlook. Plus, stick around till the end for an exclusive pro tip that could save you thousands. Why winterizing your motorhome is more than just a chore. Winter in Canada and many parts of the US isn't your average chilly season, it's a beast of ice and snow that demands respect. So why exactly winterize? Simply put, water expands when frozen, and water inside your pipes, tanks, and heater can cause catastrophic damage. Picture this: a tiny crack in a pipe, hidden until spring, turning into an expensive repair that ruins your RV budget. But it's not just about burst pipes. Winterizing also prevents mold, pest infestations, and battery failure. It safeguards your investment and preserves that fresh, inviting feel inside. Quick question before we jump in. What's the number one winterization tip you swear by or want to learn? Drop it in the comments. Your advice might just make this community smarter and safer on the road. Step 1. Choosing the perfect storage spot. The first line of defense, where your motorhome hibernates during winter, indoor storage is gold, climate-controlled, dry, and safe. But if you must store outdoors, pick a level, solid surface free from standing water. Invest in a high-quality breathable cover, one designed for winter spells, not just rain. Pro tip: if snow loads high, clear it regularly. Heavy snow can stress your RV roof and exterior. Step 2. Draining your entire water system. The lifeline protection. Water left behind is the enemy. Here's what to drain: fresh water tanks, gray and black water tanks, water heater, and all internal plumbing lines. Open every faucet, inside and outside, including the shower and toilet. For stubborn water in pipes, use an air compressor to blow out the last drops. No water means no freezing, no cracking. Step 3. The magic of RV-specific antifreeze. Not all antifreeze is created equal. Use only non-toxic RV antifreeze designed to withstand freezing without harming your water system. Bypass the water heater to avoid wasting antifreeze, then use a hand pump or the city water inlet to push pink antifreeze through every faucet until it flows clear. Toilet? Don't forget it. Outdoor shower? Definitely. Expert insight. Pink antifreeze is sweet-smelling and safe, but still rinse thoroughly come spring to keep your water tasting fresh. Step 4. Battery care. Winter's silent killer. Cold weather drains batteries fast. If you can, remove your house batteries and store them somewhere warm and dry. Top them off with a full charge before storage and periodically recharge if possible. Leaving batteries in place, disconnect the terminals and ensure full charge. This extends their life and avoids painful spring surprises. Step 5. Defensive interior prep. Keep mold and pests at bay. A spotless inside is your next ally. Remove all food items. Winter or not, leftover crumbs invite rodents and insects desperate for warmth. Use moisture absorbers like silica gel packs or dehumidifiers to prevent mustiness and mold. Prop up fridge and freezer doors slightly to circulate air. And want to keep uninvited critters out? Seal gaps with spray foam, use rodent repellents, and strategically placed traps. Step 6. Exterior checkup, seals, vents, and tires. Go around your motorhome with a flashlight and inspect seals around windows, doors, and vents. Recaulk or replace cracked seals to keep moisture and drafts out. And vent covers are a smart investment to prevent snow buildup and animal entry. Tires, inflate them to recommended PSI. If stored long-term, consider jacking the RV off the ground to prevent flat spots. Step 7. Engine and fuel system protection. For motorhomes. For motorhomes, the engine deserves winter pampering too. Change oil and filter. Contaminants ruin engine internals when sitting idle. Fill the gas tank and add a high-quality fuel stabilizer. Run the engine and generator for 10 to 15 minutes to distribute stabilized fuel system-wide. Step 8. the final touches. Close all blinds to protect your interior from UV damage. Double-check vents, windows, and doors are locked tight. Keep a checklist inside the RV. It saves sanity come spring startup. Pro tip bonus: the secret weapon for spring-ready RVs. Here's the bonus tip I promised you. Use a moisture absorber combination, silica gel, and activated charcoal bags for double-duty moisture and odor control. It helps your RV smell fresh and dry for months and curbs mold growth better than one method alone. I remember last winter, a friend skipped winterizing their RV, thinking a garage would suffice. Come spring, a pipe burst under the sink, flooding and repairs that wiped out their travel fund. Don't let this be you. Winterizing isn't just about protection, it's about preserving memories, adventures, and your wallet. If you found value in this guide, click that like button to help others protect their motorhomes too. Subscribe to our channel for more detailed RV care tips and epic travel stories. Got your own winterizing hacks or horror stories? Share them below. Your experience might save someone a headache down the road.